Sir, this is Srinivasulu from CSEG section. My topic about ionic polarization. Introduction to ionic polarization. Ionic polarization refers to distortion of the electron code around ions. It occurs when an external electric field is applied to ionic compound. Understanding ionic polarization is key to graphing ionic bonding and material property. Definition of ionic polarization. Ionic polarization is the shift in electron density within an ion. This shift can lead to temporary dipoles in ionic compounds. It is a significant factor in the electrical property of a chemical material. Cases of ionic polarization. Ionic polarization is primarily caused by the influence of neighboring ions. The distortion of ion electron codes occur due to the electronic fields of surrounding charges. Larger ions, or are those with higher charge density, tend to polarize more easily. Factors accepting ionic polarization. The size of ions plays a crucial role in the extension of polarization. Higher charges of electron lead to stronger polarization effect. The presence of solvent can also enhance the ionic polarization. Role of ionic polarization in ionic bonds. Ionic polarization affects the strength of ionic bonds in compound. It can lead various in bond length and angles. The degree of polarization can influence the stability of ionic lattice. Polarizability of ion. Polarizability is a measure of how easily can an electron could be destroyed. Heavier and more complex ions tend to more polarized. Polarizability is crucial in determining the reactive ionic compounds. Ionic polarization in crystal. In crystalline structure, ionic polarization can affect lattice energy. It contributes to the overall stability and mechanical property of crystal. Understanding the ionic polarization help in predicting crystal behavior under stress. Ionic polarization in solution. Ionic polarization influences the behavior of ionic in solution. It affects conductivity, solubility, and chemical reactivity. The presence of other ions can modify the extension polarization in solution. Application of ionic polarization. Ionic polarization plays a role in design of electronic materials. It is an important in development of batteries and supercapacitors. Understanding the ionic polarization can lead to improvement in drug delivery system. Measuring ionic polarization. Ionic polarization can be measured using a variation spectroscopy techniques. Techniques such as Raman spectroscopy provide insight into ionic behavior. The dielectric constant is other important parameter related to ionic polarization. Example of ionic polarization. Sodium chloride NaCl demonstrates classical ionic polarization. The polarization effects are significant in complex ionic compounds like lithium, aluminum silicate. Understanding ionic polarization is essential for material like witness. How to form NaCl? Like we are observe these pictures. Sodium atom. There are one sodium atom and chlorine atom. Plus charge in the sodium charge are transferred into chlorine atom, and negative charge in the chlorine are transferred into sodium atom, and they form sodium chloride. Challenges in studying ionic polarization. Measuring ionic polarization accuracy can be technology challenges. The dynamic nature of ionic interaction completes its analysis. Researchers must consider temperature and pressure effect on ionic systems. Advantages in ionic polarization research. Recent studies focus on the interplay between ionic polarization and conductivity. Innovation in computation modeling or enhanced our understanding. Research is leading to new material with collaborate ionic polarization properties. Future direction in ionic polarization studies. Future research may employ the effects of ionic polarization in nanomaterials. There is potential for providing smart materials to responsible to ionic polarization. Understanding ionic polarization could lead to breakthrough in energy storage technology. Summary and conclusion. Ionic polarization is a fundamental concept in material science and chemistry. It influences the property and behavior of ionic compounds across the various applications. Continuous research will provide deeper insight into the implement ionic polarization. Thank you.